Hello everyone! Welcome to Robin's Review World. I'm host of this lovely channel, and I'd like to invite you for a lovely cup of tea. In particular, today we're going to be making chai spice tea using red rose tea bags. So I've just opened up the box, and I just want to show you the tea bags. With these tea bags, you should really steep them for over 5 minutes to make two cups of tea. If you don't want that strong, then obviously just less than 5 minutes, and you're good to go. Makes a lovely cup of tea when you add some milk and sugar to it. I'm just reading off the box and showing you the different sides. And in a moment, I'm going to show you the back, the nutritional facts, and also some other information. Red Rose, as you know, has been around for years. And the 72 tea bags are 209 grams. So if you steep them for over 5 minutes, you'd be making over 140 cups of tea. And here's the chai spice. This makes 60 cups. There's 20 grams. And it's very interesting looking at the ingredients. There's cardamom, ginger, black pepper, cinnamon bark, white pepper, and nutmeg. 6 ingredients, all natural, no MSG, gluten-free. Directions: add 1/8 or 1/4 teaspoon chai spice to a cup, add boiling water and steep, and add milk and sweetener to taste. And this is what the spices look like. It smells wonderful. You definitely smell the cardamom. A little bit closer. I wasn't expecting pepper. That's something new to me. And here are the recipe sheets to make different types of chai. And here is a closer look at the recipes. We're going to see that in a moment. So we've got perfect cup of chai, chai smoothie, traditional chai, iced chai, and opening up the package. And I've actually have a French press here, and I'm going to be using that to make the chai in. When you order green chai lattes at your favorite coffee shop, you're actually saying tea twice, because chai actually means tea, for those who didn't know. And we're going to be adding some brown sugar to the spices. Here's the front of the package, and here is the back. It's actually cane sugar. I was saying brown sugar. Cane sugar is the same thing. And then there goes in the tea bag. I've added approximately a cup of hot water to this French press. I'm going to let it steep for a few minutes. Swishing it around, getting the... Now some cinnamon. I thought I'd add a little bit more spices to this. You can just use any cinnamon. I like a lot, so I poured a lot in there. And in a moment, I'm going to be adding dried ginger. I just took some fresh ginger and I dried it a couple of days ago. I actually dried it in the toaster oven. And with ginger, it's actually... people think that it does definitely make it spicy. It's not completely overly hot. Some people are making candied ginger. They boil the ginger twice to remove the strong... the strong taste of it being hot. And we're done. So definitely, I steeped it over 5 minutes. I poured in the milk, probably just even maybe half a cup of milk. Got my favorite Christmas mug, and in the background you see some biscuits, some lovely sugar cookies. And there you go. So I'd love to hear what your favorite recipe is for chai tea, and what kind of tea bags that you use. And in the background we've got some Christmas crackers. If you want me to review those Christmas crackers, just also comment down below as well. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you to everybody who supports this channel. You guys are absolutely wonderful people. Yay! Go chai spices. Go tea.